Do you want breakfast?
I'm not gonna chase you, okay? I'm not gonna chase you. You know you're not supposed to go in the recycling, and you definitely know you're not supposed to have that pack of bacon. Storm?
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner. You was bad. So?
Particularly if there's trauma or rental illusion.
You didn't even take a drink. Teeter, you have to drink first, then wipe, then you get a treat. You don't just get a treat for just wiping or resting your face in the bowl. Oh my God, Teeter.
Tina, we gotta have a talk. You can't have my bird feeder. I don't care, you can't have it. I know you're hungry. We'll go down and eat what bears eat, but you can't have bird feeders. No. I'm telling you, will make me mad now. Yeah, you get down. Where are you going? Get down. Now go on and get something else. I know you're hungry, but I'm sorry. So are the birds.
Arthur? Oh no, don't worry.
Chloe, didn't you just eat? You just ate salmon like 20 minutes ago when I ate. Why are you licking the bowl like that? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Tucker, place. Good boy, yes.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais? Hey, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Thanks.
What are you doing?
Rolo, it's not dinner time yet. Got like 10 more minutes, buddy.